In this video, we will show you how to get started with the tyGraph support site. Start by activating your tyGraph support account. Check your email for the support user activation message from help@tygraph.com. Be sure to check your junk email folder because it may have been marked as spam. If you didn't get the message, that's okay, and just email us at help@tygraph.com and we will send you an activation message. Click on your unique support link URL. Enter your full name and provide a password of your choosing. Click Activate and Login to continue. On the tyGraph support site, you can view our knowledge-based solutions, where we include downloads to the latest tyGraph reports, generalized help for all tyGraph apps, tips and help guides for Power BI, and specialized help tailored to each tyGraph application. You can also view our glossary of terms for concise data definitions to all of the attributes and measures that you will find in the tyGraph reports. In our discussion section, you can read announcements, request new features, and get in contact directly with the tyGraph team. Use the Submit a Ticket button to raise a formal request or report a problem. Alternatively, you can email us at help@tygraph.com to create a new request. Use My Tickets to view all of your open and closed requests. Let's walk through creating and working with a new ticket. Click the Submit a Ticket button. Provide the following information: subject, briefly outlining the request; message, describing the issue in detail; optionally, attach a file like a screen print. Click Submit. After clicking Submit, you will be directed to the ticket list screen, where you can provide additional information, attach additional files, and view the current status of the ticket. Click on My Tickets. The My Tickets screen includes the following details: subject and ticket numbers of all open or pending requests, the current ticket status. Clicking on a ticket brings us to the ticket list screen, where you can view the latest updates from the tyGraph support team. Note, you will also receive email updates as they are provided. You can provide updates and additional information to your ticket, attach additional files, or mark the ticket as closed. Thanks for watching, and please remember, if you need help, email us at help@tygraph.com and we will get back to you as soon as we can.